What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Microsoft Excel to n8n. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in n8n. After typing, you will see this first official website of n8n. Click on this website and after clicking, if you already have a n8n account, just simply click on sign in on the right side. But if you are getting started, click on get started for free and then enter your email password and the credentials to create your own n8n account. Now, after login or signing in, you will be redirected to the homepage of n8n. Now, as you can see, these are my recent workflows that I have created, but for you, I'll create a new one. So on the right side, you can see the option of create workflow. Click on this, and then the new workflow will appear wherein you need to click on add first step, and then in the search bar, you need to type Excel, and then you will see the option of Microsoft Excel 365. Click on this option and then a new window will open wherein you need to select the table actions. Here are the multiple actions that you can choose from. I will choose this append rows to table, and then in this new pop-up window, click on select credential and then click on create new credential. From here, click on connect my account, and then you can just connect your Excel account to the n8n account by just typing your email and then just type next. As you can see, it has shown that connection has been successful, and this is how you can connect your Microsoft Excel to n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.